Disconnected mid-game with error 266? Here is the solution. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Here is how to fix Roblox Error Code 266. With a few quick checks, you can clear the error and get back to enjoying Roblox without interruption. Let's get started. Method 1. Check network connection. Roblox Error 266 signifies a network timeout, meaning your connection to the server is too slow, unstable, or interrupted. It is generally a user-wide issue, not a Roblox server failure. To fix it, try switching to a different Wi-Fi network or use a wired Ethernet connection. Restart your router and modem. If issue persists, contact your internet service provider for further troubleshooting. Method 2. Flush DNS cache and reset winsock. Flushing the DNS cache can help fix Roblox Error Code 266 because outdated or corrupted DNS records may block Roblox from connecting to its servers. By clearing the cache and resetting winsock, Windows forces a fresh lookup of Roblox's server addresses, often resolving connectivity issues. Follow these steps to flush DNS cache and reset winsock. Search for CMD in Windows, search and then right-click on the command prompt and select the Run as Administrator. Run these commands in the elevated command prompt window. Once you finish running all the commands, exit command prompt and relaunch Roblox. Method 3. Change DNS. Press Win+R to launch the Run utility. Copy and paste this in the Run command box and press Enter. Right-click on the network services you use and expand its properties. Click to open Internet Protocol version 4 and open its properties. From Use these DNS server addresses section and set the preferred DNS server address to 8.8.8.8. Next, set the alternate DNS server address to 8.8.4.4. Click on OK to save the changes. Relaunch Roblox and check if the issue is fixed. Method 4. Clear Roblox temporary data. Next, you can delete Roblox temporary data. Here is how to do so. Press the Windows key +R to launch the Run utility. Copy and paste the following command in the Run command box and press Enter. Press Ctrl+A to select all the files in the folder and click on the Delete option. Wait till all the files are deleted from the folder. Once done, exit this window and relaunch Roblox. If you again get the same error, flush DNS. Method 5. Log out and log into Roblox. Next, you can try logging out and then logging into your Roblox account and see if this helps. If you are logged into the same Roblox account from multiple devices, then sign out from every device. Then log into your account again from a single device. After logging out and logging in, check if the error is fixed. If not, then restart the router. Method 6. Repair Roblox app. Repairing the app fixes corrupted files without removing your settings. On your desktop, open the Windows search box, type Apps and open Settings. Select Installed Apps. Search for Roblox in the list. Click Roblox Advanced Options. Scroll down to the Reset section and click Repair. Wait for the process to finish. If repairing doesn't work, resetting reinstalls Roblox's default settings. Go back to the Advanced Options for Roblox, scroll down and click Reset. Restart your PC after resetting. Launch Roblox again. The error should be now resolved. Method 7. Check firewall or antivirus settings. The Roblox errors can also occur when your firewall or antivirus blocks Roblox's web components. To fix that, allow Roblox through your security software. Here is how to do it. Open the Windows Security app using the search menu. Now click on the Firewall and Network Protection option. After that, tap on the Allow an app through firewall option from the right side pane and then press the Change Settings button. Next, click on the Allow another app button and then press the Browse button to select the game.exe file. Click on Open and then click on the Add button. You will now see Roblox under the list of allowed apps and features. Tick the checkbox associated with the game and enable it on both the public and private networks. Once done, you can press the OK button to save changes. Finally, you can relaunch Roblox and check if it is loading properly. You can also temporarily disable firewall antivirus to test. Method 8. Disable VPNs or proxies. VPNs and proxy servers can interfere with Roblox's ability to connect properly, so turn off any active VPN or proxy service. Try reconnecting to Roblox without them. And that's how you fix Roblox Error Code 266 by stabilizing your internet connection, checking server status, and refreshing the Roblox app. You will eliminate the error and restore smooth gameplay. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe for more practical Roblox and Windows fixes, and share your own troubleshooting tips in the comments, because your solution might help another player too. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.